Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Last night I made a video on this. That's not what this video is about. But this was my icon for my video, and somebody saw my black and white letters. I did it kind of on purpose to make it stand out. And if you're brand new to Corel, this might help. If you're not, this isn't going to help you at all. I had the text in just like this, and so I've got a box. Well, I've actually got part of a box there. That's from something else. But they wanted to know how I got the text black and white. Well, this box stops the Smart Fill tool. A line stops the Smart Fill tool. Let's just draw a deal, put a line through it. And if you use the Smart Fill, let's use something other than white so it'll show up on my background. The Smart Fill will be stopped by a line. So with the white selected, all I did was fill this in with white. Now my box was really black. I could Smart Fill it, but then I'd have to fill in these holes. So in the box, I just left click black. Well, I'm still going to fill in the holes with black. But then you just go to your Smart Fill tool on black and fill in your hole. That should not happen. Let me figure out what's going on. When you make a box, so I'm going to nudge. Oh, there's something else there. That's what it was. There we go. There was another box hidden. I used some of these for the same video. And then just take your Smart Fill tool to fill in black. And you don't have to do this on these letters, but you do on these letters. So the line up here in the box is stopping the black from going in there. Just like here. I mean, I don't care, what you're doing. A line is going to stop. That's what's so good about the Smart Fill tool. You can create items like that, and then you take away the line, select it all, take away the line, and you've got some weird shapes. But that's how I did that. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.